Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking down prerequisites so the tool works for you. Once you've confirmed scope, stakeholders, and deadlines, create the project workspace and invite the core team with proper roles. Then add 1 to 3 initial tasks, assign clear owners, set due dates, and mark priority. Make sure task names are action-oriented and concise so everyone knows what to do right away. This gets momentum moving, prevents confusion, and sets a pattern you can build on as you proceed. Once initial tasks exist, move into detailed execution planning. Decompose milestones into sprints or phases and estimate effort and duration. You should link dependent tasks, apply labels or custom fields for status and risk, and assign buffers for critical paths. Make sure to enable notifications and link integrations like calendar, chat, and code repo so updates flow naturally. Use dashboards and filters to track progress by owner, priority, or sprint. This keeps work visible and lets you course correct before issues compound. You finish by validating every deliverable against acceptance criteria and archiving completed tasks and documents for reference. Then run a short retrospective to capture lessons learned and update templates or estimation baselines for future projects. Make sure to mark follow-ups and assign improvement owners. If something goes wrong, like missing updates or broken syncs, first check user permissions, then verify integrations and refresh API tokens or reconnect accounts. These steps resolve most issues without lengthy support requests.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.